throwing all your dreams off the waterfall. Watch it float downstream to a kid with high skill and self-esteem. Who knows he's about to get it all. I really feel like him in this equation. Not for persuasion, don't just snap on any occasion. Rap with fast acceleration. All I have is reputation in my vocal cords. A bit too antisocial like a fat bitch who eats in hordes. I'll land on Forbes whether you want me to, I'm working towards being the Michael Corleone of my generation. Opponents face decimation. Condolences sent to they broken home with an explanation of how I'm in the zone. Can you condone that his exploration was nothing but a demonstration? Staying patient cause I'm stuck without another option. Kinda quiet till I go for 60 like I'm Klay Thompson. Don't deny it, every beat goes swiftly, never is forgotten. Building up my name, don't think you'll ever learn my methods, Watson.
Learn to live and let go, cause I've been searching and I've been hurting for things I never will know. Learn to live and let go, cause I've been searching and I've been hurting.
Coming out your speaker like the money shot. I keep a lawyer with my crew, not falling for your honey pot. So what it do, your baby boo is gross like some running snot. I'm on a higher dose of life for hopes to have a funny plot while giving you the most of me. Hate when fake religious people wearing out their rosary around their neck. They only wear it socially, so gross to see they do it for an image. The truth is hard to swallow like a heaping spoon of spinach. Wake from sleep, the moon diminished. Faced with a son, you're a bitch if your fist gets replaced with a gun. One day I will be a father telling this to my son. And I don't bother with the hate because I've already won. Always trying to enhance now. Ignorance is bliss, turn your focus to the present. I don't care what you miss. Take a second to appreciate the reason why you're here. Bring attention to the moment and the rest will disappear now.
Learn to live and let go, cause I've been searching and I've been hurting for things I never will know. Learn to live and let go, cause I've been searching and I've been hurting.
Here now.